All right, what's up, guys? As an eBay seller, that's growing, doing more, all that, and needs more space for more inventory since I only have 2 shelves anyway. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you my process of essentially, organizing everything here that I've went through and done, but also clean up this area so I can expand and, make more shelves and more rooms for more things because. I literally have, things from here. This is a monitor, this is a tuner, an amplifier, another monitor. So, guys, I have a bunch of things that I pretty much need to move out of the way. Try to get everything inventoried. And I don't want to move my drum set. I'm probably going to try to push this far as over as I can. And go ahead. And first, I need to put the labels on all of these bags, inventory them into those boxes over there, and go ahead, start getting everything moved out of the way so that way I can essentially just measure the space over here for which shelves will be the best, because currently, as you can see, I'm just using like these plastic shelves. They're not the sturdiest, and I do deal with things like CD carousels. These are a few 4 parts only, so that's why they're not stored in the best fashion. But again, I'm trying to use what I have with the room that I have, and essentially just reorganize, everything and try to make as much storage. So that's the goal for today. As you can see, I have a bunch of things to do, a bunch of things to move. So I'll prep you guys up and we'll get started. Alright, what's up, guys? So if you've seen the videos, yeah, we have made progress on cleaning up the basement. As you can see here, I did get the drum set moved over a little bit. We did clean up the space here. I vacuumed a bunch. There was a ton of dust, as there normally is. It's a basement. So I've gained a lot of room right here just from moving the drum set over pretty much as far as I could, and just trying to make some room here. I did go out and pick up a 36-inch wide, 16L, 72 height rack that I'm going to put right here. It should fit pretty much perfectly right here, and it'll have some room that way. Also, I'm considering what I should be... Oh, well, before I go to that, I'm going to use that shelf specifically for boxes and things like that. Maybe this box, and possibly to even store these 7 boxes for now, over there while I can clean up some of this stuff and potentially try to figure out a better racking system over here, where I can still leave the workout stuff there and pretty much just make a boxed in shelf right here, so I can go ahead and start getting more items. After I get the shelves up, again, I have to move this weight tree, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to move it, anything like that, side to side pretty much, or if I want to just leave it how it is and run them here. That'd definitely be a lot less work on my end. And I got to figure out what to do with the mirror. And I did just reach out to my brother and my dad on how to basically hang up some of these packing supplies that I use. So guys, if you don't know, I pretty much do ship and work with a lot of like electronic stuff. I'm a techie myself, so pretty much like, there's a Panasonic thing, but basically for these heavier items I like to use this like air-cell bubble wrap, and you can fill it up super high with a lot of air, from the air compressor. And I use this thing here. It's a little heat sealer, and after you cut it off, basically, as you can see, I actually sealed this side so it won't open. So that way, like, let's say I cut it here and then I go to fill it up with air, I don't need to hold the one side anymore because it's already sealed. Which that's a huge help, actually, shipping these things out. This is an equalizer, this is a tuner that I picked up in an amplifier. It was a 3-set bundle. I got it for a really good price, actually. I tested it out at home. I was actually contemplating on selling it, but I had to tell myself these items are specifically to get resold, so I need to get them moving all the time. And if I do find something that's worth it, maybe I will consider it and actually give myself the money through the business or something like that, or just the business paid for it. So either way though, I'm still trying to figure out the overall storage around here, over there, and just trying to set some things up a little bit better, so then that way things can just be better off overall, like long-term wise, efficiency wise. As you can see here, I do have a roller printer and a Dymo 4XL printer. I absolutely love them. I have them hooked up to a Raspberry Pi so that they're network printers. It's absolutely amazing. So I don't want to keep talking your ear off. I'm just gonna put this shelf together right here, put it over there in the corner, and put stuff on it, and then potentially even start moving the stuff over here, maybe this weight tree. I don't know, I have to figure out where this stuff is gonna go. I might even reorganize all these computers, but yeah, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so as you just saw from the time lapse, I did just completely get the shelf together. Probably one of the easiest things I've ever done, really. It's very straightforward, the things are very straightforward, and it seems extremely steady compared to these plastic shelves, which shake on any movement. So I think I will be aiming for these style of shelves, maybe wider if I have more room. As you can see, I have space back there, but sort of dead space with the other shelf. I mean, unless I put a longer box there, but with this space here, I'll clean all that up, whatever. But with this space here and even that space, I may even consider looking for like longer style of those wire racks, just because of how sturdy they are, with, you know, heavy boxes and stuff like that, and dealing with electronics. It's heavy stuff, so you know, relying on these plastic shelves might be good for littler things. I'm not gonna throw these shelves out, right? But I'm going to try to get better shelves, like wire shelves like those, just because of the, you know, how strong it is and whatever. So yeah, at this point it's just putting a bunch of the shipping material back on those boxes, whatever, and throwing out whatever garbage I have left. If there's any room, I will be trying to put the stuff over there, so I'm sure there will be room due to how big the rack is. So honestly, with me putting a thing here, sitting there, and all over there, this area of the basement will basically look like a little warehouse. So yeah, I mean, this is the start of it. Like I said, I gotta move the rest of this stuff and some of it over there. But guys, this is coming together exactly what I think it should be, what I think it needs for me to become a either full-time or part-time, more part-time eBay seller. In general, you know, this is taking something, you know, look, I only have one rack over there. That's actually my mom's rack, the white one, and a couple tables, and, you know, a light booth, things like that I've just sort of you know, thrown together because I've had to sell things on eBay. But just getting up one rack just feels like a huge step. So, you know, guys, putting in 5 more racks or whatever it is, a couple more racks, and upgrading in general, like, this is a huge step as a seller myself. And it feels awesome because, like, I'm looking at this, I'm like, what can I fill that rack with? You know, I got 7 boxes over there full of stuff, all these boxes over here. And guys, like, I'm not even using like the full potential of these shelves, right? Like, I could be using boxes that will literally fit that shelf, like split it in two. Ideally a 15 by 12 by 10 box would fit in there, but that's an odd measurement. So I'm not sure over here. Maybe I'll do 3 boxes, maybe I'll do 2 boxes. I think 2 boxes will be better since I deal with bigger stuff anyway. Yeah, but I'm just trying to get, you know, as organized as possible. I'm trying to, you know, just get myself set up. I really want to take this to the next level, and I think adding in a bunch of these shelves are the first step in the right direction. And it's going to be a huge motivator to fill these shelves, to get these shelves empty, to fill these shelves and get these shelves empty. So I will let you guys go for there for now. With that one shelf getting up, you will see a later video of me putting up more shelves after I order them, put them all together and get them set up. So I will have room for a lot of inventory. So I will be showing you guys how I do my auctions, thrifting, things like that, you know, potential shipping options, photo room stuff. So guys, don't go nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. You see, one shelf has already, you know, pretty much pushed me, and adding in more and more shelves, you know, honestly, I will feel closed in, but I will do anything to fill these shelves, get them empty, fill these shelves and get them empty, and push to be an eBay seller. And you know, whether that's full-time, part-time, anything. So alright guys, well, I'll leave it with that, and be sure to watch out for the next video with more shelves, and hopefully they'll be full. So talk to you guys then.